Hey, I'm Clint Cantwell, and today I'm firing up the best steak ever. It's grilled to perfection and topped off with some caramelized onions and mushrooms. It's a flavor explosion just waiting for your mouth. So for our steak, I've got a boneless ribeye. I'm gonna coat it in a little bit of olive oil, get it nice and coated. And then I've got a tablespoon of ground coffee, a tablespoon of kosher salt, a tablespoon of smoked paprika, and a teaspoon of ground fennel. We're gonna mix that all together, and then we're gonna coat the steak with that dry rub seasoning. Give it a nice liberal coating on both sides, be thin, and about a half a pint of Baby Bella mushrooms. We'll add about a half a tablespoon of olive oil, some salt, and ground black pepper. Toss that all together. So I've got a grill basket that I'm going to set onto the grill grate and add those seasoned mushrooms and onions. On the opposite side, we're going to throw down our steak. Let that cook for about 4 minutes, 5 minutes per side until it gets to 135 degrees for medium rare. Okay, so we'll flip our steak over and keep an eye on your onions and mushrooms. They're starting to get some beautiful color on them. And those will go for about another 8 minutes or so while the steak finishes up. So that's the perfect grilled steak, done to perfection and topped off with some beautifully caramelized onions and grilled mushrooms. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did.